Ready to move money instantly to another Revolut pal? Let me show you how quick and easy it is. First, open your Revolut app, making sure you're logged into your account. You should see your current balance displayed prominently. Look for the transfer button, usually at the bottom. Tap on it to start a new transfer. Now you'll see your transfer options. Since we're sending to another Revolut user, select Revolut users. You can either scroll through your contacts or use the search bar at the top to find the person you want to send money to. Type their name or Revolut tag. Once you've found the right person, tap on their name to select them as the recipient. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Make sure to double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. You can also add a note or message to the transfer, like a short explanation of what the money is for. This is optional, but it can be helpful. Before sending, review all the details on last time, the recipient's name, the amount, and any message you've added. If everything looks good, tap the send button, and that's it. You should see a confirmation screen indicating that the transfer was successful. The money should arrive in the recipient's account instantly. The updated balance will reflect the transaction you just made. See? Super fast and easy. Now you know how to quickly transfer money to anyone on Revolut. Make sure to subscribe for more Revolut tips and tricks.